Dillo. Kanina mo pa nila kaya tini ano mo sa atin. Serious na.
Och så väl med till tuna det. Då.
Contest is scheduled for one fall, making his way to the ring from Punjab, India, weighing in at 295 pounds, VR Man.
This is a match that folks have been clamoring for. He said he'll steal the show here tonight, and he looks more than ready to deliver on that promise. When it's no disqualification, that means the competitor can be attacked at will, and it's all legal. This is when you see just how sadistic a competitor can truly be, and that makes for a frightening scene.
If anything goes, you have to do whatever it takes to survive this situation.
There's no limit to what someone will do if they are unleashed without restriction.
Just cranking the head.
Headlock. Oh, cheap shot right above the eye. He catches Cena with a counter. Time to end this. An uncanny showing of power.
Will Cena's survival instincts kick in?
Kick out. Oh, my God. Very few superstars possess the fortitude to do what we just witnessed.
Very few? How about almost none? This match just went to the next level.
I thought it was over. The WWE Universe thought it was. John Cena. Adjustment. Is that all Cena needs? 2. Kick out. I thought it was finished off for sure.
Not about to go quietly into the night.
That took some serious endurance. I'll give you that. And now Cena can't waste any time. That wasn't the outcome he expected, but he has to remain the aggressor. Crank in the head.
He is revving up the engine. He's not going to let anything stop him.
Answering back. Nice counter by Cena. Big time clothesline.
Good grief.
Oh, stomping away. He turns it around. Measuring it up one more time.
The power that takes is insane. And that could be all. Let's see. That's impossible. I can't believe what we just saw.
And there needs to be a refocus now. That was the moment that could have ended things. A moment that's been... Across the top rope, all the way to the floor. The C Nation is coming alive. Cena showing that trademark ruthless aggression. These superstars have toiled away endlessly, and this crowd is on their feet in full appreciation.
An incredible sight to see.
Goes under the ropes to get back inside.
Sent into the corner. Cena thinking high risk.
Oh, this is going to be over if it hits.
The second round. Is that going to decide it for Cena?
Finally ends it. And all the bloodshed. Perhaps worth it now. That match might go down as one of the best matches in WWE history. Your winner, John Cena! You cannot say they didn't give it their all
Anu.
to achieve this victory.
Anu metal ni.
Talk about
Bella.
resilience. Talk
Ada
about
bella.
endurance. Really, talk about stubbornness. It's really paid off here.
Video silang mesin pada lah, like dan pin noi. Lapan channel se subscribe keren plus subscribe noi lapan kardong. Apa nak lalu kamera nak? Audience sudah puji pas nak aku. Apa kamera dah lalu? Kamu nasi ada? Nama belak lang ada. Wan wan, tu mana? Belak lang, hanya dah belak lang ada. Kalau boleh, mana macam lah.